Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping and placing the sticker. This ensures adhesion and reduces bubbles. Clean the area with isopropyl alcohol and let it dry so no residue interferes. Once dry, align the decal and secure one edge with low-tack tape to form a hinge. This gives you control. Then partially peel the backing away at a shallow angle, exposing only half the adhesive, so you can apply from one side and avoid trapping air under the sticker. You now press the exposed half using a soft squeegee, moving slowly from the hinge toward the free edge to seat adhesive and push air out. Once the first half sits flat, peel the remaining backing steadily and continue squeegeeing outward in overlapping 45 degrees passes. This distributes pressure and prevents ripples. If a corner lifts or wrinkles, lift back gently and reapply. Don't stretch the film because that distorts the design. Finally, run the squeegee firmly around edges to ensure full contact. You complete the job by trimming excess material and sealing edges. Use a sharp blade at a 45 degrees angle for clean cuts and score thicker films lightly. Once trimmed, allow the sticker to cure for 24 to 48 hours so adhesive bonds fully before washing or heavy use. If small bubbles persist after 24 hours, pierce them with a fine pin and press flat, or apply low heat briefly to relax the film. Make sure to test on a...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.